Programmatic advertising has completely changed the digital ad game. It used to be about gut instincts, manual buys, and crossing your fingers. Now data-driven algorithms deliver your ads straight to the right audience at exactly the right moment. Here's what makes programmatic advertising such a powerhouse. Forget about guesswork. Programmatic pinpoints your ideal audience based on interests, behaviors, devices, even the time of day, giving you a higher ROI, instant impressions. Ads are bought and placed in milliseconds through real-time bidding. That means instant optimization, better performance, and lower costs compared to the traditional methods. Next level scalability. Whether you're a scrappy startup or a global brand, Programmatic helps you reach audiences across multiple channels, from websites to connected TVs at any budget. Data-driven performance. Smart data fuels smarter ads. First-party insights like site visits and purchase history help craft laser-focused campaigns that truly resonate. Creative meets automation. Programmatic isn't just tech, it's strategy plus creativity. The human touch ensures your message is compelling, relevant, and memorable. Future-ready advertising. Programmatic keeps evolving, tapping into connected TV, streaming audio, even in-game placements. Wherever your audience goes next, your ads will be there. Today, over half of the digital budgets flow through Programmatic because it just works. You can reach your audience smarter, faster, and better than ever with programmatic advertising.